Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to pay Etsy listing fee. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically now you will be needing to go first to the shop manager. So by clicking on shop manager, you will be able to see your store. So let's just go to a valid store now. And basically here we are on the shop manager. Now you will be needing to go to the listings and basically you will be needing to create or add listings. And whenever you are creating listings, they won't be active. So first they will be inactive, so they will be here and you will need to activate them and then you will have to uh, pay the fees or the activation fees. So for example, here we have this expired. If I want to renew it, I will be needing like, or I will have to pay this amount. And whenever I click on renew, it will be automatically deducted from my balance. Now, if you, for example, you're activating uh, balance wasn't deducted from your balance, you can simply go to finances and you can go to the monthly statements. And from here, you will find your balance. And whenever you have some overdue balance or whatever, and you can also find it, you might see it like in the finance. And here you will see that the amount or the balance that you will need to pay. And you can simply click on pay now and by that you will be able to start like paying also the activating fees, and by this way you will be able like to pay also any other fees or additional fees that has been added to your balance and it wasn't taken from your bank account. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.